Hello and welcome back to ArtHub Academy. Well, this is my first dry pastel in, I would say, maybe 1 month or more. I don't even know because I have to admit that in the gap I took in between, I really did not draw anything. And other than one live stream last week in which I did watercolors, but personally I still find dry pastels tougher than watercolors, even though you might argue that I am not good at watercolors either. I am not, but I do try my hands. I dabble in both of them. But anyways, I would like to tell you about the few observations that I have made on the way about how to stop a dry pastels from getting messy, or how to perhaps try a still life if you are an amateur like me. And a still life that I did not at all draw. I started directly with colors on a page which is larger than I mostly take. So all through the video you are going to be able to see my face. My face got into the camera again and again and again. But okay, I'm not going to edit it much because in the process we might lose parts of the making of the drawing. And I actually enjoyed making it because dry pastels are tough. And I think that the biggest problem with them is that they get messy. Because see, it's like dust. These colors are like dust, and they easily get mixed up. You can easily spoil the parts of the painting that you have already done, which happened to me again and again in this painting because I had suddenly forgotten that I am a right-handed person, and quite like left-handed people, I know some very good artists who are left-handed, but I don't work with the left hand but with the right hand. So when I went from right to left instead of left to right as I should have, I again and again ended up messing up the drawing and it became quite dirty at times. But still I did manage to complete it, and I am not very unhappy with the results, even though I am definitely not the judge of it, and you are the audience and you can tell what you think of the drawing. I would be waiting to know that in the comment section below, and do give me your honest opinions so I can improve on myself and on my work. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you very much.